I'm here today to discuss why it's important to live and eat and have a healthy lifestyle. For one thing, it will give us control of weight management, chronic disease, and physical activity. Most of all, just having a better control over your life. However, the numbers are alarming in America due to how many people are not living a wonderful, healthy lifestyle. These factors, such as chronic disease, with large numbers of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, even epilepsy. Not only that, dying off prematurely. Well, we ask, why do these things happen? Well, for one, there are so many fast food restaurants, people living a lifestyle in the fast lane, which will cause them to always, number one, go through McDonald's, Burger King, or just eating foods that are just not healthy for you. The numbers are just so large. The numbers affect anyone from ages up to 99 to 0. But the one thing that we want to do is try to make sure that we live a healthy lifestyle. This healthy lifestyle that we live will have to change some of our habits. One of our habits is eating healthier. It's so important that we start off with a good breakfast, maintain lunch, as well as healthy snacks, such as your fruits and vegetables. We must consume those because we want to keep our cholesterol levels down. With keeping our cholesterol levels down, it will keep us from having problems with heart disease, which will clog up our arteries. Not only that, you will lower your cholesterol and make sure that you maintain a certain level of fatty foods, because that too will cause you to have diabetes. So many Americans are affected with that disease from young and old. With these diseases, they bring a high cost in healthcare. Healthcare is another main factor that we want to make sure that we live a healthy lifestyle. When you're not living a healthy lifestyle, the cost of your medicines, going to the doctor, not only that, your caregivers will end up being costly. We've seen this grown widely through America. When I say that, we see the high rise of emergency costs, urgent care costs, as well as just medication alone, anywhere from HMOs to Medicare, Medicaid, as well as emergency health care. In addition to that, we also want to maintain a healthy lifestyle to build up our energy levels. When our energy levels are good, we are good. It will control our mental, not only just our physical. We're able to work better, we're able to do better. Not only that, live better. It's very important that we maintain a healthy lifestyle. The numbers in America are such alarming on how people are dying prematurely from not eating and living healthy. It's important that we maintain rest. It's also important that we try to have control of our weight, making sure that we're eating proportional foods, making sure that we're not eating fatty foods that will cause excess weight on our bodies. With this excess weight, you have stored fat on your bodies, which too will lead to those major chronic diseases that were mentioned earlier. But it's so important that we try to do better. There are so many programs out there nationwide that would give preventative health care, such as HMOs providing wellness programs, giving prevention and education with our healthcare providers, as long as even also with our government. Our government right now in the nation right now are trying to promote healthy lifestyles and living. The Bible also tells us to prevent our bodies as living sacrifices. This is the temple and the body belongs to God. So it's important as to what we put into our bodies as well as what we try to maintain. We must exercise, we must have a good diet, as well as getting rest again. However, that goes back to making sure that our schools have the proper foods in them, making sure that we choose to eat the right foods, as well as making sure that we do our best as far as living a healthy lifestyle. This will allow us to have longevity, not only that, a healthy body as well as mind. But it's up to us to control what we put into the temple. Yes, we know it's so convenient to go to McDonald's as well as Burger King, However, it wouldn't hurt us to come home and cook a new, nutritious meal that give us our basic food groups as far as our vegetables and baked goods such as baked chicken and so forth. But again, it's so important that we maintain and live a healthy lifestyle.